Daisy, come here. This is Abby eating the duck food. Abby, Abby. Good girl. And that one's Missy. Teddy. Teddy, smile. Teddy, sit. Sit. Good dog. Okay. And here's the boardroom. This is where all executive decisions are made right there. And there's Daisy. She's kind of playgirl of the group. And the two swan. The mallards are in the cage. They'll be released tomorrow, probably. And here's an up close of the swan. And Daisy. Daisy. Hey, Daisy. Hey, Daisy.